For nearly 2 decades, Hyundai Motor Manufacturing of Alabama has been the pace setter for innovation and a leader in the auto industry nationwide. When Hyundai rolls out a new design off this world-class automobile assembly line, America takes notice. No doubt they are watching again today as we lift the curtain to reveal yet another cutting-edge creation of Hyundai engineering. One of the secrets of Hyundai's success and domination in auto manufacturing is its Alabama workforce. Its 14,000 plus direct and indirect employees across the state take great pride in playing a major role in the development and the delivery of many of America's most popular automobiles. Made in Alabama with pride is our winning strategy.